Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope everybody Ramadan is going well. And as Ramadan is progressing, I'm pretty sure you guys are having some iftar get-togethers. And here's a video. I'm just some ideas how you can set up your iftar gatherings. So here I just have some flowers in a vase here. Flowers are from Michael's and the vase is from TJ Maxx, and then I have some puff pastries on a cake stand I baked, and the cake stand is from Home Goods. And then I just have some fairy lights going around everywhere, and then I also have a candle holder that I also made in my DIY. I will leave that video down below. Then I placed this Dollar Tree lantern that I spray painted gold, and then next to it I have this tier tray I just made. All the stuff is from Dollar Tree. I just glued the two pedestals onto these clear trays I got from Dollar Tree, and I placed the Kababs on the top and spring rolls and the samosas at the bottom. Also, I found those tongs at Dollar Tree, and the table runner is from Home Goods. Next to it, I have the crescent candle holder I placed there, and then I had a lantern next to it. And then I just cut some fruits up and I put them in this bowl that I found at Home Goods, and that silverware is also from Home Goods. And then I also had my Islamic sayings word Alhamdulillah. I placed it in front of the fruits. And then next to it I have some chicken puff pastries that I baked and I put them in this tray. And then I had another candle holder that I DIY'd, and next to it I have the iftar duas in the frame. I placed it over there. In front of it I have the dates. I have more flowers on the other side in this beautiful vase that I found at Home Goods. And then I also have another lantern over there, and I have this jar I found at Target last year. So I made some Rufza milk and I put it in the jar, and those glasses are from Macy's that I received for my wedding gift for my mom and dad. And then on the wall I just added some fairy lights with the banner I already had. So as you can see, you guys, you don't have to go buy different things to have a beautiful iftar gathering for your friends and family. You can just reuse the things you already have. I hope you enjoyed this video and I gave you some ideas how to set up for your iftar gatherings for your family and friends. I hope your rest of the Ramadan goes well, and Allah accept all of our duas and ibadats. Have a blessed Ramadan, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And like and share my video with your friends and family. And I will see you very soon inshallah in my next video. Assalamu alaikum.